Hi guys, Darren here for another Airless Q&A video. Now we got a question from our customer about what's going on here with this second bolt next to the filter housing. And this is in fact for you to attach a second hose. So some of your sprayers, if you take a look on your filter housing, you will see the one extension, well, your hose coming out, but there'll be a second place for a second hose attachment. Now there will be a few advantages or disadvantages when attaching a second hose. First of all, if you having two hoses, of course, means you can spray a lot faster than just spraying one single hose, and that means covering a lot more working space. Now, when you do use two hoses, however, your maximum spray tip size that you use will be reduced. And if you take a look at some of our other videos, we give you examples of where the spray tip size will come down from maybe 31 thousandths of an inch to 23 thousandths of an inch, and from perhaps 33 thousandths of an inch down to 25 thousandths of an inch. So you're going to lose a little bit on your maximum spray tip size when using a second hose. Now this is when you're using two hoses together, but you may also want to take advantage of this feature when switching between materials. Now you will still have to clean out your pump when switching between materials, but you may want to, for example, have a hose and gun that's just for plaster and a hose and gun just for your paint, for latex paint, for example. And there what you can do is you can have one of your hoses ready and set up for your paint, and one set up for your plaster, or one set up for oil-based and one set up for acrylics. And this will allow you to switch between the two a lot faster. You do still need to make sure that you're cleaning out the pump before you spraying the next material, but at least in this case you don't have to be switching out the whole hose and gun system as well. Now I do have with me another neat little accessory. So when you're attaching your second hose, you will need to get a connector, which will go in place of just the bolt that's keeping this sealed. And then we do have what's a bolt, which we can attach to this connector, and this will allow you to seal up the connector when you're not using it. So you'll be able to seal that quite tightly, and this will be onto your housing filter like so. And this will make sure that everything is kept sealed when you're not using it, and then when you do need to use it, you can just take off the bolt and connect your second hose. So there you have it for using two hoses on your Airless paint sprayer. This features, you'll see this second hose setup on some of your 695, 795 models, on your Graco Mark series. So there are quite a few models that you will be able to utilize the second hose. There you have it. If you have any questions or comments on attaching a second hose to your Airless paint sprayer, just give us a call or leave us a message in the comment section below. If you haven't already, like this video and turn on notifications. My name is Darren. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great spray.